Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. In today's practice, we're going to learn how we can practice Ardha Chandrasana, otherwise known as balancing half moon. In the red zone, we'll learn how you can use a chair for the practice. In the yellow zone, we'll learn how we can use blocks to focus on centering and core strength. And in the green zone, we'll learn how we can take the posture to some pretty cool places. Let's get started. In Ardha Chandrasana, or balancing half moon pose, we're celebrating the light that is coming from the moon, the reflection that it gives us, and the many ways that it changes over time. Starting from mountain, let's find a stable chair and carefully face it, coming through chair pose with a long spine and bent knees. Placing hands solid on the chair, we'll take one leg back and take the same hand to the same hip. Rotating from the hips, we'll rotate to the side of the room, from the hip, torso, and then arm. If we feel stable, we might even look to the same side. Coming back in, let's bend the standing leg and roll the whole torso inward. We can also try the same approach from the forearm if we feel like we need to be a little closer to the ground. When it's time to come in, let's carefully bring the long arm and leg close to the torso and roll towards the floor. Then bend our knees, find a stable spine, move through chair pose to stand tall. In the yellow zone, we have two blocks in front of us, and we'll carefully put one block at the low setting, the other on the high setting, bending our standing leg and finding the place where we can keep our torso parallel with the earth. We'll take the same hand and same foot backward, and again rotate from the side. Notice that we can keep our gaze down to help our focus and our balance, and choose to roll back inward as we did in the red zone. Getting to the floor is available to us today. We can take one leg back and internally rotate that hip so that the knee ends up below the hip. Then roll outward to the side, possibly keeping the foot on the ground or lengthening the leg outward. Then we'll roll in and out. We can even flow the pose, rolling in and rolling out, making sure that the bottom hand is underneath the shoulder. We can also add a little gate pose variation at the end of the posture. In the green zone, we'll start in mountain, moving through chair pose to safely get our hands in front of our feet. We'll take one leg back and take the same hand to the same hip, keeping the standing leg bent. Slowly we'll rotate the hip and torso out to the side, and possibly even see how we do without the bottom arm. We can also carefully finish the pose by facing towards the floor and coming back to standing. And there you have it, balancing half moon, otherwise known as Ardha Chandrasana, focused on in my new book, Yoga for One. I hope you'll join me for this entire traffic light method series, where you'll learn how you can modify practices for all bodies safely. I also hope that you'll check out the book and certifications using the link below. But for now, I wish you well as you take great care of your well-being. Namaste.